In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run desktop flows from Power Automate, providing you with a full tutorial on this process. Whether you're new to using Power Automate or just looking for ways to enhance your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring you have everything you need to get up and running. Let's begin by creating a cloud flow. First, we'll navigate to the Power Automate portal. Once you're there, look for the section labeled My Flows and click on it. From there, we want to start something new, so select New Flow, and then opt for Instant Cloud Flow. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger. One of the simplest options is to use the Manually Trigger a Flow trigger. After making your selection, go ahead and click Create. This is the foundation of everything we'll be doing today, so taking your time here to ensure the right trigger is selected is key. Next, let's add an essential action to our flow, which is running a desktop flow built with Power Automate for desktop. To do this, add a new step by clicking the plus New Step button. In the search bar, type in Power Automate for desktop. You should see the option to select Run a flow built with Power Automate for desktop. Select that. At this point, if you haven't already set up a connection, you may be prompted to do so. This will involve providing some information, like your gateway name, domain, and your login details, such as your username and password. This step ensures that Power Automate can communicate with your desktop and perform actions seamlessly. Once your connection is set up, we'll move on to configuring the action. Here, you'll need to select the specific desktop flow you wish to run. With the Desktop Flow option, you'll see a list of available flows. Choose the one that aligns with your goals. After that, consider how you want the flow to operate. You have two options for the run mode, attended or unattended. Attended means it requires a user sign-in, while unattended can run without any user interaction, which is especially useful for automated tasks. Some desktop flows might require input parameters. If yours does, there's a section labeled Input Variables where you can provide those details. Last but not least in this part of the setup, decide whether the cloud flow should wait for the desktop flow to complete before moving on to the next step. This decision can affect the efficiency and timing of your workflow. Finally, it's crucial to save your cloud flow and give it a test run. Doing so will verify that everything was set up correctly and the desktop flow is triggered as expected. Testing your flow is an integral part of the process to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently right from the start. With that, you've completed the setup. All you need to do now is integrate it into your workflow and enjoy the benefits of automation.